to my channel. This is Nasra, and for today's video I wanted to do a cut crease. Listen, this is my very first time doing a cut crease, so I am very happy with how it turned out. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. I got a few things yesterday from a drugstore here in London, and one of it is concealer. This is from e.l.f. and I am using shade medium beige. Let's see how this will work out today. I will mix it with my MAC concealer as well, just to make it a bit lighter. Foundation and concealer is done. At this point you should look very sick like me. So for contour, let's see, I'll be using my NYX matte bronzer. I'll take my contour brush, dab, and gently go in. And to set my eyes, I will use my translucent powder from Mercier. I don't like to set it too much, so I'll just wait a minute, and while I wait I go with my MAC. This is NC43. I'll grab a bigger powder brush. We got some definition there. Next step, I'm going to do my brows using my NYX. This is micro brow pencil. So one of the things I got yesterday is this palette from Patricia Bright. I really love the colors. These are the colors, and for today I want to do cut crease. Let's see how that will turn out. So this is my very first time trying it. I will start using a blending brush. I'll start with this color to set everywhere. We are so gonna look like a Pink Panther today. Wow. The pigmentation on this eyeshadow palette, woo, a little can go a long way. Drag it down a little. For the outer corner of my eye, I will go in with this color right here. Oh wait, they have names. Wow, okay, so I went in with No Days Off, this color right here, and then I used Superwoman, the pink shade, and now going in with Pure Soul, this color right here. I will use another brush. just a little bit. I'll go back in with it. I will go in first with the concealer I used before. You know what? Let me use a brush. That way I know exactly what I am doing. Okay, I will go back in with Pure Soul. Taking Revolution Other Palette, I'll be using this color. Trying to go for a cat look today. Excuse this sun, man. I can't put down the blinders. All right, next thing I will use lashes. Let me do this off camera. I'll be right back. All right, the lashes are on, and the last step I'm gonna do is the blush. Mua Makeup Academy blushed. For the lips, I'll be using Maybelline Color Sensational. This is it. Okay, maybe this is too pink. Okay, going in with Flomar. This is liquid lipstick. I feel like I had nothing to say today, just focus on the makeup, but you know what? There are just some days you just need to, you know? And today is one of them. Let me put another color on top of it, just to make it less pink. Okay, this is much better. So first I used this one, but it was too pink for this look, so I went in with Primark Liquid lipstick. Shall we make it glossy or nah? Let me say glossy or nah? Okay, glossy. Let's do that. NYX Butter Gloss. This is in shade Creme Brulee. So I changed, and this is the finished look, but I just realized I forgot to put a white eyeliner. And you know what? Since we're at it, I will put mascara on the bottom lash. Everything I used, I will link down below. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and this is my Instagram if you're not connected yet. And I hope you enjoyed this video like I did, and hope to catch you all up on the next one. Thank you guys. Bye.